So and the more web traffic that you can generate to your website, the better you rank on Google organically. So what we do is we built a page on our website that says what to know before we use YouTube links. So we've videoed like how we surface clean, how we do certain things. We have videos of like a summary of what we do. Because videos on Google, because YouTube and Google, I believe, are one.
If you enjoyed that clip, you should seriously consider joining us for the free live webinar where we're going to have all the experts who are thriving in the wintertime in the home service industry giving away all their tips and tricks for free. Go to wealthywinter.com and register now.